Santa Clarita's hometown station, AM 1220, KHTS.
Santa Clarita's hometown station, AM 1220 KHTS. Hey, make sure you go to hometownstation.com for all the latest and greatest in the Santa Clarita Valley. And speaking of the greatest in Santa Clarita, joining me in studio, a very special guest. We're having a special 1 hour program here with Tami Hulcher, and she is the Queen of Health. Tami Hulcher is nationally recognized nutritionist, the Queen of Health. Tami is a mother of 3 children, grew up here in the Santa Clarita Valley, graduated from Canyon High School, and she is a guest of TV and radio, obviously of radio. She is a writer and a certified cooking instructor. Her passions are children's nutrition, obesity, cancer awareness, and the environment. She is a, quote, mom on a mission and has become the voice of thousands of concerned parents, educators, and health advocates. Tami, how are you?
You know, I'm really good. I have to tell our listeners, though, I've done this show before. So some people in the Santa Clarita Valley knew that I did a show with Ellen for quite a few years. And then I've guested a couple times. I'm now on the East Coast. I'm kind of here on a speaking and radio tour. I'm speaking in Valencia.
So I was just going to say, where are you speaking?
We got to be able to plug where I'm at, right?
Exactly.
Speaking in Valencia. I am tomorrow speaking at the Valencia Clubhouse, and that's on Oakville Drive, and people can call here and we can get the flyer information. My lecture starts at 6:30. It's called God Health, Your Journey Begins Here. So I'm good. It's good to be back in Santa Clarita Valley, but I had to call the station and say, okay, wait, I am literally coming 8 minutes, and I got stuck in all of that traffic.
Yeah, there was a bit of a traffic jam there.
And somebody could have warned me that we were taping, because now the joke was when Ellen and I would do the show, or when I would do it with anybody, yeah, right, we would come in and ponytails, shower, from just wet hair, flip-flops. Who sees you in the radio?
It's radio.
So that's why I told people, I get to go do a radio show in my pajamas. So I'm wearing my Navy mom shirt. I come in flip-flops. They go, we're taping you today. And I'm like, gosh, somebody could have told me that. I would have put some makeup on.
Just know I did not set up the interview. Okay, so do not shoot the messenger.
No, this is what we look like on not the full makeup and stuff. So hopefully, it'll translate well on the camera. So I'm glad to be back here. Yes, my children went to Canyon High, graduated in 2002, 2004, and 2006. 2 of them went to COC. I now have my oldest daughter, Lauren Lozano, and she is a nurse. She has her bachelor's in nurse, and she's traveled all over the world, and she is now working at a major learning hospital back east. And then my son, Ryan, he is in the Navy. He is also a Navy firefighter. He just got his firefighting. And so they've got him based in Sicily. How hard is that? From Canyon Country to Sicily.
Roughing it.
And then my youngest daughter, Caitlin Lozano, she just went and graduated from Navy boot camp, and they've got her in Pensacola right now doing her A school. So I have 2 kids in the Navy, 1 nurse, and the big news is I'm actually back to school pursuing my nursing degree, because I want to eventually have a holistic nursing practice. So I had to go back to school after, way too many years of college being gone. And so I just finished, and I'm in clinicals, and I'm working in a hospital sort of part-time as a nurse tech. So I'm kind of excited.
Okay, so I want to ask you this.
Okay.
Well, first off, you can go to thequeenofhealth.com, but that's quite a title. So how did you become the Queen of Health? Like, where did it start? Where are the roots of were you a princess of health, and then were you married into royalty? How did it work?
Yeah, gee, if I would have had a script and known these questions were coming at me, try to have some of the stuff disappear from your bio, but it just keeps popping up. It was interesting. I have been doing this since about 2000. I started my own health company, and then I took a distracted little turn and served as our state queen. I was Mrs. California America.
Oh, there you go.
2002, 2003. And then I, was still doing a lot of television and radio. And when I would go out, people would go, "Oh, it's the health queen, the girl that the queen that's the health queen thing." And so I talked to a few agents and PR people in Los Angeles and a lot of media people, and they said, man, I'd capitalize on that. And I said, I don't want to kind of do that. And they said, if they never remember your name, they'll remember the Queen of Health. And so we trademarked it. So I actually own the legal trademark, and it stuck. And I had, somebody drew a caricature of me, and it's kind of stuck. So I kind of yes, I went from Princess of Nutrition to total Queen of Health. And it really translates well in the schools because the kids kind of ooh and ah about it. So
cool.
It's kind of fun title.
Fantastic.
And you get to always wear a crown, so.
Oh.
And I would have today had I known I was coming in, not as a Navy mom, but, so go ahead. Thanks for that one. I'm a little red here. Right.
All right, we're going to take a quick break. You gave me a list of stuff to talk about.
I did.
we are going to talk about one. I wanted to ask you why you got involved in nutrition and all that stuff.
We'll do
but
that.
we're also going to talk about your journey with health. You gave me a bullet point. It says our journey with health begins at the cellular level. So I'm going to ask you about how you got involved in nutrition, and then that coming up next. Okay. This is your hometown station. We got a special interview here with the Queen of Health, Tami Hulcher, on your hometown station AM 1220 KHTS.